so today I'll be showing you guys a squishy sale. So I'm selling some squishies and I hope you guys can support me. So yeah. So here are all the squishies, so let's get started. So first I'll be starting off with the tagged squishies. So yeah. First I have this one-piece t-shirt, and this is tagged and licensed. The license is over here. And this is the soccer one. It's quite soft. This is $15 milk, so yeah. And here's the bag. It's in original packaging, so yeah. Next I have these. I have two of these, one mini and one Dale. So this is the Dale one. It's a Disney squishy bun. So here's how it looks. It has the, this is a capsule squishy, if you guys are wondering. So yeah, and the back has this pamphlet thing, and it shows all the other characters that you can collect. So yeah, this is $10 milk, and there is a license at the back. So okay, I can't open it because there's tape at the back, and this is in original packaging. So yeah, and this is quite soft. So this is the back. Yeah. And here's the mini one. Also quite soft, and it does have all the license and this thing at the back as well. This is also $10 milk. So yeah. Next, for the common squishies. First I have this Dead Toes for $2 milk, and this one has a little bit of defects. Just manufacturing defects, so yeah. And it has the back, black saffron strap. Here's the back. So yeah. Next, I got this football, and this was on my Instagram for $5, but I reduced the price until $3. So this football is $3 milk. And it's quite soft. It's not really hard to squish, but it's not like very squishy. It's just soft. So yeah, I have that. Next I have this Minion Toast, and this is for $2.50 milk. This one's quite soft too. And this is the green colored one with a black saffron strap. So yeah. Next, I got this crab bun for $2, and it has a light pink saffron strap, and this is really soft. So yeah. Next, I got this Amperman's Friend for $2.20 milk. So yeah, that's quite soft too. So yeah, and that's everything that I got for this squishy sale. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah.